Hello Eagle Nation, and welcome to the 2019-2020 registration process tutorial. In order to officially kick off the registration process, it is imperative that you get a better understanding of the classes offered at Carl Sandburg High School. In order to do so, please direct yourself to the Sandburg website, check out the Resources tab, and feel free to explore all the classes and the descriptions. Throughout the month of January, every student will receive a long registration sheet. It will either be green, blue, or pink. All of this will be based off of the student's grade level. In order to find out when your registration appointment is with your guidance counselor, please check out the schedule hung up underneath the stairwell in the comments. It will list the student ID number along with the date and period that you will be meeting with your guidance counselor. There will also be a sticker located on your registration sheet which will tell you the exact date, time, and period that you are to meet with your guidance counselor. As we head further into the registration process, there are definitely some things that we would like you to keep in mind. When you come to your registration appointment with your guidance counselor, it is extremely important that your registration form is filled out, completed, and signed by a parent or guardian. Next up, we cannot stress enough the importance of communication with your current teachers. Find out what classes they recommend you to take for next school year. On top of that, it is also important that you explore the Carl Sandburg High School webpage to see what type of credits you need for graduation. Have conversations with your parents or guardian to make sure that you are signing up for classes that you think would benefit you in your post-secondary journey, along with giving you those credit requirements needed for graduation. A few things to keep in mind. Please remember that a course request is simply a request. Your guidance counselor will do everything in his or her power to get you into the classes that you signed up for. However, if things do not fit, please have backup options in mind and be flexible with the entire process. When in doubt, ask. The guidance office is here to answer any and all questions that you and your family has in regards to the registration process. Email your counselor, stop down and see your counselor, and that goes for your parents and guardians as well. We are here to help you step by step through the entire process. Next up, your guidance counselor will be coming to your advisory at the start of this very semester. We will be discussing all things registration, and you will be receiving a copy of your registration form. By the time you see your guidance counselor during advisory, you will have left the room with the registration form in hand. Please make sure to find out when your appointment is, and more importantly, to keep that appointment with your guidance counselor. But moving forward, we're going to share with you some upcoming dates involving your class and your registration process. Class of 2020, continue doing research on college admission requirements to make sure that you are signed up for the correct classes for your senior year. The guidance office is always open for any help or assistance that you might need. We will see you at your registration appointment.